Okay guys, let's go on. We've got second short passage and we are going to read it. Study dramatic art at Thornley. Now study dramatic arts. Dramatic arts is related to drama, plays and all that. And Thornley is the name of maybe college or academy or place where you can study dramatic art. Is this clear? Now, please come to questions 8 to 14. By the way, this is a golden opportunity for you to understand the core concept of true, false, not given. If you get confused between false and not given, if you get confused between true and false, now is your time to understand that. I'll elaborate it very well. Let's see, whenever they give you questions related to true, false, not given, the trick or the trickery is in the question. In the question, there is a word, sometimes one single word, or there is a phrase. Phrase consists of 2 to 3 words. Sometimes there is a word, sometimes there is a phrase which is going to decide the answer as true, false, or not given. If you identify that word or phrase, true, false, not given will become easier for you. Now I'm going to tell you how to do it. Question number 8, please. College has introduced new courses since it opened. Now tell me which phrase. New courses. Underline new courses. Now what are we going to check? We are going to check if, now listen, this if sentence is very helpful. If college has introduced new courses since it opened, answer is true. If college has not introduced any new courses since it opened, answer is false. And if they don't tell us whether college has introduced new courses or not, then the answer is not given. So if and whether, it will help you a lot understand this. Now please come back, and by the way, true, false, not given, they are type A. Type A means questions and passage, answers in the passage, they are in order. So we are going to start from the first paragraph. Can you please come to second line? For 50 years we have been providing. Got it? So it means the college opened 50 years ago. Now read this carefully. For 50 years, we have been providing top quality courses for actors, directors, producers, musicians, and everyone else who wishes to work professionally in the theater or related industries. Now, have they mentioned anything that since college opened, they have introduced some new courses? The word new, recent, anything? They only said for 50 years, we have been providing top quality courses. And then they mentioned the courses. The word new or any information on new is not given. Hence the answer is very good. Is this clear? See, only one word, new. Yes. They are in order. Questions and answers are in order. So you will check them from first paragraph onwards. No, you cannot relate it to section. It is related to the question type. It depends on question type. It's not section. It's the question type. Now we are doing true, false, not given. So in true, false, not given, they are in order. Yes, in true, false, not given. I told you one thing. Listen. Question type and the mechanism is absolutely same. Only passages are different. Right? Yes. Okay, now we've got question number 9. College provides training for work in the film industry. Now listen, what do we have to check? If college provides training for work in film industry, answer is true. If they provide training in some other industry, not the film industry, then the answer is false. And if they don't tell us, then not given. Come to same paragraph. We also have expertise. Found it? Let's read it together. We also have expertise in preparing students for the specialized requirements of TV, film, and radio. And what do they say next? We'll make sure you are thoroughly prepared for the reality of work in your chosen field. Now, what is chosen field? TV, film, and radio. Okay, now please come back to the question. The college provides training for work in the film industry? True. Okay, college provides training for work in the film industry. And by the way, what is the word for training for work? Expertise in preparing students for the specialized requirement. Okay, and then they mention TV, film, radio. Out of 3, if they mention any one of these there, the answer is going to be true. For example, please come back to the question. Question number 9. If they say the college provides training for work in radio, still answer will be true. And if they use the word TV, still answer is going to be true. Absolutely. Okay, question number 10. Students have the chance to work with relevant professionals. Now listen, if students have a chance to work with relevant professional means if I am doing film course, I will meet with some film directors, film producers. If I am doing radio course, I will meet some RJs. So, students have the chance to work with relevant professionals. Next paragraph. Our college-based tutors, found it? Second paragraph. Our college-based tutors all have extensive practical experience in the entertainment industry as well as academic qualifications. And we also collaborate with some of the country's best directors, writers, and actors to create challenging, inspiring, and exciting projects with our students. Now come back. Students have the chance to work with relevant professionals. What is the wording for relevant professionals? Directors, writers, and actors. So the answer is true, absolutely. So this is how you can go on easily with true, false, not given. Question number 11. Many more people apply to study at the college than are accepted. Accepted means students who get admission. For example, if they say 1,000 students apply for admission and we give admission to only 100. So that means many more people apply to study at the college than they are accepted. Please come to the very next paragraph after this. It's the third paragraph. We are well known around the world with our students coming from every continent. Every year, we receive 2,000 applications for the 100 places on our degree course. How many applications? 2,000. And how many do they accept? 100 places. So what's the question? Many more people apply. Now what is the wording for many more? 2,000 exactly to study at the college then are accepted. How many are accepted? 100. So the answer is true. Got it? You need to understand what is the word for many more, what is the word for accepted, and all that. Question number 12. Theater 500 was created by, now what are you going to check? Only this by. If it was created by students, answer is true. If it was created by someone else, not student, and they tell us who created it, answer is false. And if they don't tell us anything who created that, then the answer is not given. So Studio 500. Found it? Fourth paragraph. To mark our 15th anniversary this year, we are putting on a production of Theater 500 written by 2 staff members especially. Written by 2 staff members and created by students. False, exactly. If they would have written Theater 500 was created by staff members, then answer is true. But here they say students and in the passage they say staff members. That is why answer is false. Are you all clear about it? Please take a look at your neighbor. If someone is not doing anything at all, usko zara kas ke koni mare, wa khiche. Yeah? So that he should be active. Yes. Yeah, but actually it's not created by them. It involves them one way or other, but it's not actually created by them. Creating something and getting involved in that, they are 2 different things. Okay, let's go on. Question number 13. New building and council building were designed by the same architects. Now listen, if these 2 buildings were designed by the same architects, answer is, if these 2 buildings were designed by 2 different architects, answer is, And if they don't tell us whether they were designed by same architect or different architect, then the answer is not given. So new building and council building. Please come to second last paragraph. Another major development is that the college is about to move. Our new premises means new building. Our new premises are now under construction in the heart of Thornley, next to the council building, which has won a prize for its architecture. Building has won a prize, but about the architecture, they did not tell us anything. Okay? For the last 2 years, we have been developing design with Miller Furbank Architects for our new home. And one aim has been to ensure the building complement. Now listen, when they talk about their old building, have they mentioned anything that who created that, the architect of that building? They are talking about their new home. New home means their new premises. And for that they're using the word Miller Furbank Architects for our new home, and one aim has been to ensure the building complement the council office and all that. Now please come back to question. The new building and the council building were designed by the same architect. There is no information on that. They have only told us about the new architect, but the fact that old building was also built by the same architect, it has not been mentioned anywhere in the paragraph, hence the answer is not given. Question number 14. Local groups will be charged for using college premises. Look here, underline the word charged. Whenever they use the word charged in true, false, not given, if local groups, for local groups they can use the word local people, local communities, local council and all that. If local people will be charged to use college premises, answer is true. If it is going to be free of cost for them, answer is for. And if they don't tell us whether free or charged, then it is not given. So please come back. Last paragraph. We have also been talking to cultural organizations in the district. What does it mean? Local. Now tell me, what is the word for local? In the district. When they say, for example, local groups. Now what is the word for local groups? We have also been talking to cultural organizations in the district. Cultural organizations in the district means local groups. Cultural organizations for group, and what is for local? District. In the district. They use the word of the city, of the country and all that. And considering how we can bring cost-free benefits to the local community. What is cost-free? Free of cost. And what is question here? Local groups will be charged. So answer is false. Got it? Good. So this is the whole story of true, false and not given.